Good day, my wonderful learners. We want to continue on this particular topic, which is simple equation. I want to encourage you to watch my previous video where I solved example 1. So we want to continue from there today. And if you are yet to subscribe, please be encouraged to do that. Today we want to solve the equations below. We have 4s is equals to 28. The relationship between 4 and s here is multiplication. And by the time you want to take this 4 to the other side of the equation, it's going to do the opposite of the relationship. It is multiplication here. By the time 4 goes to the other side, it's going to be divided. So we are going to divide both sides by 4, which is the coefficient of s. If you don't know the meaning of coefficient, I want to encourage you to watch my video on coefficients as well. So we are going to divide both sides by 4. So we are going to have 4s over 4 is equals to 28 over 4. 4 we eliminate 4 here, and s is equals to 7. Let's solve question 2. We have 3s is equals to 21. We are going to divide both sides by 3, and x will be equals to 27 over 3, which will give us 7. Number 3, we have 32 is equals to 8x. Don't forget that 8s is also equals to 32. Why? Because right hand side is equals to left hand side. So our x here, we're going to divide both sides by 8. So our x here now will be 32 over 8, which will give us 4. I want to include this example because many people will actually think that it is every time that you get whole number. What if I have 5x is equals to 7, and I want to find the value of 5x? Divide both sides by 5. I'm going to have 5x over 5 is equals to 7 over 5. 5 we eliminate 5 here, then you are going to have x is equals to 7 over 5. Why? Because 5 is not divisible by 7 is not divisible by 5 rather. So we are going to leave our answer in a mixed fraction. This is an improper fraction rather. So we are going to leave our answer in a mixed fraction. So we are going to have one whole number 2 over 5. And there is drill for you to do. Solve the following equation and put your answer in the comment section. Number 1, you have 10k is equals to 52. Then number 2, you have minus 8m is equals to 40. Is equals to minus 40. Then the third one, you have 15p is equals to 27. Then let's solve this example 3. Remember, we've solved questions on example 2. Solve the following equation. In number 1, we have 1 over 2x is equals to 5. I want you to know that there is nothing called 1x in mathematics. This one is invisible, but we have 1 over 2x, which is also equivalent to x over 2, because by the time you multiply 1 times x, it will be x. The coefficient of x here is 1, so do not be confused. So is equals to 5. The relationship between s and 2 here is division. So if these two wants to go to that side of the equation, we are going to multiply. Remember that I told you that when a number wants to go to the other side of the equation, it's going to do the opposite of its original relationship. So you are going to multiply both sides by 2. By the time you multiply both sides by 2, you are going to have 2 times x over 2 is equals to 2 times 5. 2 we eliminate 2 here, then x is equals to 2 times 5 will give us 10. Question 2. You have 2 is equals to x over 3. This is also equivalent to 1. So there are different methods of solving this. You can decide to multiply both sides by 3, multiply both sides by 3. So we are going to have 3 times 2 over 1 is equals to 3 times x over 3. 3 will eliminate 3 here. So 3 times 2 will give us 6 is equals to x. Don't forget the right hand side is equals to left hand side. X is equals to 6. Number 3. We have 2x over 4 is equals to 3. We are going to multiply both sides by 4. Multiply both sides by 4. Then we are going to have 4 times 2x over 4 is equals to 4 times 3 over 1. 4 we eliminate 4 here, you are going to have 2x is equals to 12. And the next step to take here is to divide both sides by 2, which is the coefficient of x. Divide both sides by 2. So we are going to have 2x over 2 is equals to 12 over 2. So, and our final answer will be 6. So x is equals to 6. And you can also know whether your answers are right or wrong. For instance, the value of x here is 10. If I say 10 divided by 2, the answer will be 5. And likewise here, my x is equals to 6. If I divide 6 by 3, the answer will be 2. And likewise here, the value of my x is equals to 6. 2 multiplied by 6 will give me 12. 12 divided by 4 will give me 3. I want you to try this to solve the equation below. Please put your answer in the comment section. 3 over 4k is equals to 5. And number 2, you have 1 over 3p is equals to 10. So please solve this and put your answer in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe, I want to encourage you to subscribe. Make sure that you like the video, share it with your loved ones, and you are also free to comment. Thank you.